super simple to install. We're going to be putting in these Rexpeed carbon fiber hood struts. That just gets rid of the hood prop, kind of makes it like automatic when you open the hood. This is all the hardware that it came with. These go on the right side of the car, these go on the left, and then you'll literally just need a 12. For this bracket, you might need a wrench just because the space between the bolt and the top portion is really small. So the orientation of these goes right, so the right hand side of the car, and you're gonna have to remove this first bolt of the hood and then just go straight down, and there will be one more in this back corner right here. That's why I was saying you might need a wrench, because this bracket goes kind of over that little pinch weld or whatever right there. There's not much room. So as you can see on the hardware, once all the bolts are out, where it's going to go, it's going to use this 3M adhesive. So I just went ahead and wiped it down where it's going to go, so that way it sticks real good. Didn't use anything that's going to leave like an oily residue. It dries real quick. Try to keep this bracket straight, just because once you get it tightened to a certain point, that tape up there kind of just wants to grab. So just kind of walk this down, and as you're tightening it, the wrench, just keep it straight. This bottom bracket is going to be a lot harder, but that little hump right there goes over that piece there. Then just grab your bolt, put it over. You can kind of do it by hand. The threads kind of catch a little bit though. Just make sure it's pretty straight, so you don't want to tighten it down all crooked. I can kind of sneak this hatchet in there. Okay, that should be good. I don't want to break it. The way these pop in is super easy. I kind of just did the bottom one on accident, but just make sure you twisted the right orientation. You have to lift the hood up a little bit, and then you literally just push in, and that's it. And that's it. Same thing you did on that side, it'll do on this side. Just mirror. You need the same exact thing, same bolt. So let me do that real quick, and I'll show you guys both of them installed. Alright, just decided to get super windy. I don't know how good the audio is going to be, but that's both of them installed. Super easy, super simple. And now you don't need the hood prop anymore.